Welcome to Arithmetic Operators. Python has all the arithmetic operators you know from maths, plus 2 that are specific to programming, floor division and modulo. Plus adds. Minus subtracts. Asterisk multiplies. 1/divides, always returns a float in Python 3. 2 slashes, divide and discard the decimal. Percent gives the remainder. 10 divided by 3 is 3 remainder 1. 2 asterisks raised to a power. 2 to the 8th is 256. 7 operators. Memorize what each does and you can calculate anything. Welcome to order of operations. When an expression has multiple operators, Python follows a strict evaluation order. Get this wrong and you get the wrong answer, silently, with no error message. Multiplication happens before addition. Python calculates 3 times 4 first, 12, then adds 2. Parentheses force the addition first. 2 plus 3 is 5, times 4 is 20. Exponentiation is right associative, evaluated right to left. 3 squared is 9, 2 to the 9th is 512. When in doubt, add parentheses. They make your intent explicit and prevent bugs. Welcome to comparison operators. Comparison operators ask a question about 2 values. The answer is always a Boolean, true or false. These are the building blocks of every decision your program makes. 2 equals signs test equality. 1 equals sign assigns. This is one of the most common beginner mistakes, mixing them up. Exclamation equals tests inequality. Greater than and less than work as expected. The boundary is included when you add the equals sign. Python allows chained comparisons. This checks both conditions at once. It reads naturally. Is age between 18 and 65 inclusive? Every condition in every if statement and loop uses these operators. Know them cold. Welcome to logical operators. Sometimes one condition is not enough. You need to check multiple things at once. Python's 3 logical operators let you build compound conditions. And requires both conditions to be true. Age is 20 over 18. Has underscore ticket is true. Both true means the result is true. Or requires at least one condition to be true. Even if one were false, the result would still be true. Not flips the Boolean. Has underscore ticket is true, so not has underscore ticket is false. Logical operators turn simple comparisons into powerful conditions. They are the connective tissue of every decision tree you will ever write. If this lesson helped you, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's learning Python. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And continue your full learning journey for free at pylearn.saypeace.ng.